Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna plan my classic happy planner for the next week of September, which is my son's birthday week. So I'm not gonna do anything for that. I'm just going to keep using Color Story. It's not gonna match the one that I have in my normal planner, which is like a cake scrapbook paper. Try and add a link to that video, but I don't want to add more paper to the planner. It's getting very thick. This paper is almost every week in September in the dashboard section, and I want to keep lots of room in this one for writing, make it functional. So I'm going to use Color Story. So like I said last week, we are going to use this up. So let's go. Okay, so these boxes are just boxes that came out of a colorful box sticker book, and I used all the boxes in that sticker book, and I needed more and did not want to buy a new one. So I took the outline of that sticker book, like when you get a sticker book. These are ones I have saved over here to do later, and you can like peel off this like outline part off of the like not sticky page, and then just put the whole thing down on label paper, and then when you cut it out, it makes a new box. It's a little bit bigger than the original ones, but still works. So that's what these are. These are ones that I just printed block shapes from Word. So those are both options if you just need plain boxes and you don't have money to buy them, but you do have money to buy label paper, or I guess you could put it on normal paper and just use glue to stick it down too. So cool. I hear. Okay, I think we're gonna stop there. I hear people waking up, so if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell. And that's what I got. Thanks. Bye.